Today's hidden little secret, Gills on the Chain. This is located right in the state park, Chain of Lake State Park, right next to the boat launch. This is a privately owned business. He rents the place out. He's the one that takes care of your boat rentals. You can give him a call for kayak rentals, trolling motorboats, kayaks, canoes. He's got bait in there. He's got food, drinks. He'll cook you up some cheeseburgers. He told me that if you're heading over, you can call him up and say, hey, would you put some cheeseburgers on for me? So I looked at the bait in here. I looked at all the food, the supplies. This is your camp store for the state park. You can get here from the boat right off of Grass Lake Road, come on up the river. But I'm telling you what, I've never been in here, and I've lived here, well, 60 years, but I'll be going here a lot now. This is a pretty cool place. They're actually redoing this whole thing first thing in the spring. It's gonna be brand new boat launch, brand new piers, fishing piers. You can come on out and have a good time. So, Gills on the Chain, another hidden secret. So, if you come on up the river, it'd be a very nice trip to take with the family. Bring your boat on up, stop and have a cheeseburger. Hey, I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Visit Gills on the Chain.